So our next part is question number first, part number 4. So given equation is 2x square. This is question number first, part number 4. 2x square plus x plus 4 equals to 0. Done. So this is the given equation. So we have to find the roots of the equation by using the method of completing squares. So as जैसे हमने पिछले क्वेश्चंस में भी करा है, we have to divide it. डिवाइड करना है हमें, किससे करना है डिवाइड? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर से. Here coefficient of x square is 2. So again 2 is there. So divide this equation by 2 on both sides. Dividing it by 2 on both sides. So equation becomes 2x square upon 2 plus x upon 2 plus 4 upon 2, that is equals to 0. Done. So this one, this 2 both are cancelled. Next 2 4s are 2, we already know that. This is x cube plus x by 2. Constant 2 is on left hand side. Now take this one on right hand side. It becomes negative 2. Okay. Next, this is the first step. This is the first step when we divide it by the coefficient of x square. Now second step is we have to add a term on left side as well as on right hand side. जैसे हमने पिछले क्वेश्चंस में भी करा है, we have a formula for it. So formula is square of half of coefficient of x. Again, square of half of coefficient of x. So this is half coefficient of x. मतलब x के साथ कौन सा नंबर आया है? And here from this one, not this one. यहाँ से नहीं, इक्वेशन वाली से नहीं चेक करोगे, आप जब डिवाइड कर देते हो उसमें चेक करोगे. x के साथ है प्लस 1 by 2. 2 is in denominator, so यहाँ पर भी हम लोग उसको as a denominator ही रखेंगे. Square is as it is, so it becomes 1 by 4 whole square. Done. So we have to add 1 by 4 whole square on both sides. So listen carefully. X square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square, and same on right hand side. Done. But we have again, this is identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. As we already discussed that this is the basic identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a plus b whole square. That is equals to a plus b whole square. Done. So it becomes x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Now solve this one also. Here this is minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 square means 1 by 16. Now taking 16 as an LCM, 16 into minus 2, that is minus 32. Again, this one is minus 31 upon 16. Here is a twist, means on left hand side we have a square term and on right hand side we have a negative term. कोई ऐसा नंबर है जिसका हम स्केयर करें, that means मैंने इसका स्केयर करा और वो नेगेटिव में आ जाए. Is it not possible? क्योंकि जब हम किसी भी टर्म का स्केयर करते हैं that is always positive. For example, let's take an example, minus 2. Square of minus 2, negative number is there. Square of minus 2 is always positive because 2 square is 4. Negative into negative, that is positive. Take another example, minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is also 1 by 4. Square जब हम किसी का करते हैं that is negative. So positive. Square cannot be negative. Square कभी भी negative नहीं हो सकता. So write down, square cannot be negative. Square cannot be negative. So given equation has no real values of x. Means यहाँ पे हमें contradiction मिली है. This is the square and square on right hand side we have a negative term. So square of टर्म इज नॉट नेगेटिव, कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं, कांट भी नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव हो ही नहीं सकता। सो इसका मतलब x की हमारे पास कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं आएगी जो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगी। Then this is the method of completing squares. So let's discuss question number second. Find the roots of the quadratic equations. You have to find the roots. Quadratic equation is given to you and you have to find the roots about while applying the quadratic formula. Next is quadratic formula. So listen quietly. First method is, in this chapter, first method is factorization. Factorization is the first method for finding the roots, and second method is method of completing square. First method is factorization. By this factorization we have to find the roots of the equation. Second is method of completing squares. This is the second method for finding the roots of the equation. And next third method is जो हमने अभी पढ़ना है, that is quadratic formula. Done. Quadratic formula means we have to use this formula for the quadratic equation for finding the roots of the equation. Now our question is, so find the roots of the quadratic equation given in equation number 1. Equation 1 में जो हमें equations given है, equation number 1 में और question number 1 में हमने उसकी equations को use करना है, but by using quadratic formula. So first of all understand the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula होता क्या है? So let's write down a note. Note number first. Quadratic equation is given to you like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the standard equation. Coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of x is b and constant term is identified as c, constant term, that is equals to 0. Quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Done. By using this formula we have to find the values of x. हम इस मेथड से x की वैल्यूज फाइंड कर सकते हैं, बट ट्विस्ट इज देयर. इफ कंडीशन इज इफ b square minus 4ac is greater than equals to 0 means b square minus 4ac की वैल्यू या तो 0 हुए या फिर 0 से बड़ी हुए, या फिर 0 हुए या फिर पॉजिटिव नंबर हुए. Done. So if this condition is satisfied, then we have to apply the quadratic formula. Is that clear? Done. So write down the question number second. This is question second, part number first. So our equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 3, that is equals to 0. We have to find the roots of this equation, means values of x, by using the quadratic formula. So first of all हमें ये check करना है क्या ये value 0 या 0 से बड़ी आ रही है या नहीं. So first of all write down the coefficients. x square, coefficient of x square is a. x square के साथ जो भी value होती है that is defined as a. Done. So here a is 2 and coefficient of x is b and here coefficient of x is minus 7. जो मोस्टली मिस्टेक्स होती है स्टूडेंट्स की वो क्या होती है, मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स लिखेंगे b is equals to 7 बट ये नेगेटिव साइन इग्नोर कर जाएंगे. डन. सो राइट डाउन नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव विद इट. डन. नेक्स्ट c means constant. Here constant is 3. So first of all find the value of b square minus 4ac. अगर इसकी वैल्यू 0 या 0 से बड़ी है then apply this, we have to apply this one. Done. So b square minus 4ac. Now b square means square of this number minus 4a. Value of a is 2 and value of c is 3. Now square minus 7 square, that is 49. क्योंकि जब हम स्केयर करते हैं 7 स्केयर is 49 and नेगेटिव का भी स्केयर होता है, नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव that is positive value. Now multiply these three. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So after subtraction, it becomes 25. Obviously, this is greater than 0. Done. This is greater than 0. So obviously हम ये quadratic formula इस पे लगा सकते हैं. अगर आपकी वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 आ रही है तब भी हम ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आपकी वैल्यू नेगेटिव आ रही है तब हम किसी भी कंडीशन में ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. सो नाउ फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि हमारी इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई हो चुकी है कंडीशन. नाउ दिस इज द फॉर्मूला x इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a minus b minus as it is, this is formula's negative and b is minus 7. So write down here minus 7 plus minus root b square minus 4ac. चाहो तो आप वहाँ पे वैल्यूज पुट कर सकते हो, बट हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड करा हुआ है. यूज दिस b square minus 4ac is 25. So write up like here 25 upon 2a. What is the value of a here? That is 2. Now, so negative and negative, it becomes positive, and root 25. Root 25 is 5. 2 2s are 4. So again we have two choices. Positive sign is there, negative sign is there. इकट्ठा तो हम solve नहीं कर सकते. So solve these signs one by one. First of all, take the positive sign, and it becomes 7 plus 5 12, and after cancellation it becomes 3. So value of x is 3. And next on right hand side, x equals to 7 minus 5 upon 4. 7 minus 5. So this is 2 by 4. After calculating, it becomes 1 by 2. So therefore, we have two roots of this equation. Done. So this is the quadratic formula. First of all, again, just recapitulate it. b square minus 4ac. More focus on this point. अगर ये वैल्यू 0 या 0 से बड़ी आती है तब ही आप लोग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक दिस कंडीशन and then apply the quadratic formula, and obviously this is the simple calculation. Now take the second part and third part is second part and fourth part, that is for you, and next solve part number third. So write down the equation. So our equation is 4x square plus 4 root 3 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is question number second, part number third. So given equation is 4x square plus 4 into root 3 into x plus 3, that is equals to 0. This is the third part. Now again check the condition. First of all, this is the reminder for you. First of all, check the condition. If your condition is 0 or greater than 0, then apply the quadratic formula. So first value, a is coefficient of x square, that is 4, and b is coefficient of x, either it is positive or negative, that is according to the question. This is 4 root 3 and this is the constant term c. So first of all, find the value of this one, b square minus 4ac. b square of this minus 4ac. Done. So mostly जो students यहाँ mistake करते हैं, that is the square of this one. जब भी वो स्केयर इसका ओपन करेंगे 4 का स्केयर अलग से, फिर उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 3 का स्केयर या जो भी ऐसा है, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हमेशा करते हैं. या फिर लिख देंगे इसको 16 रूट 3. That is not correct ना. So here two terms are there. So हमें दोनों का ही स्केयर करना है, like it 4 root 3 whole square. Mostly student इसको लिखेंगे 16 root 3, but that is incorrect. So 4 square and same as it is root 3 square, like it. Means दोनों terms का हमें स्केयर करना. Two terms are there, तो दोनों ही terms का स्केयर करोगे. 4 square, square of 4 is 16 and this one cancel. Done. It is 48. Is that clear? Done. So this value is 48 and next is 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3, that is also 48, and this is 0. Obviously 100% this satisfies my condition, because my condition is if minus 4ac is greater than equals to 0 मीन्स यहाँ पर ये 0 हुए या 0 से बड़ा हुए तब आप इसको फॉर्मूला क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला done. So this is the formula x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now replace the values. Minus as it is, value of b is 4 root 3. Done. This is 4 root 3. और here b square minus 4ac ये हमने already find out करा है. Its value is 0. तो आप directly भी replace कर सकते हो. Done. 2 value of a is 4. So now solve it. 0 root 0 obviously ये 0 हो जाएगा. टर्म हमारे पास ये सारी टर्म वैनिश हो जाएगी. Done. 4 2 सा 8. Now cancel it क्योंकि रूट के साथ नहीं हम कट कर सकते. हम सिंपल टर्म्स को कट करेंगे. 4 और 8 को कैंसिल करा. दिस इज 1 root 3 by 2 with negative sign. Done. This is the value of x. But listen one thing. One sign is there again. Positive negative. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव है तो हम लोग इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखते. हम इसको लिखेंगे पॉजिटिव टाइम्स अलग, पॉजिटिव साइन के साथ और नेगेटिव साइन के साथ अलग. लाइक इट. Okay, done. So this is this one. Okay, done. So first of all take the positive sign. X equals to minus 4 root 3 plus 0.8. Same on right hand side. X equals to minus 4 root 3 negative 0.8, which is also 0 plus करोगे तो that is same term 4 root 3.8 with a negative sign. And after cancellation this is minus root 3 by 2. Again right side is 0 is vanished, so negative 4 root 3 by 8. After cancellation x is minus root 3 upon 2. These are the two answers, means two roots of the given equation. Done. So this is the quadratic formula. And next is question number 3rd. So our third question is find the roots of the following equation. That is according to you कि आपने कौन सा मेथड यूज करना. either using first of all make the quadratic equation, either use method of completing squares, either use or factorization or use quadratic formula. But condition is there कि b square minus 4ac 0 से बड़ा है या 0 के इक्वल है या 0 से बड़ा है. Done. So let's discuss question number 3rd. Write on the equation. So question number 3rd is x minus 1 by x that is equals to 3 and x not equals to 0. Mostly students को ये clear ही नहीं होता कि ये साथ में condition क्या दी हुई है. This is the equation. तो ये क्यों लिख दिया साथ में. So x not equals to 0 means आप x की वैल्यू कुछ भी आ सकती है except 0. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे 0 आता है it becomes 1 by 0 and 1 by 0 means 1 by 0 that is infinite. Infinity terms is there. Done. So we have to solve it. So on left hand side taking x as a LCM. So x into x that is x square. Mostly students यहाँ mistake करते हैं. x into x mostly लिख देंगे that is 2x but it is wrong. x plus x2 होता है. जब हम multiply करते हैं bases are same, multiply is there, तब powers उनकी plus होती है. It becomes x square. It is x square minus 1 equals to 3. x डिनोमिनेटर में है तो राइट साइड में जाके ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा इसके साथ ना. x के माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू 3x. 3x को हम लेफ्ट साइड पे शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं. दैट इज अपॉन अस. नेक्स्ट इज अब ये आप पे डिपेंड है आपने कौन सा मेथड अप्लाई करना है. आइदर यूजिंग बाय फैक्टराइजेशन और बाय यूजिंग द मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर और बाय यूजिंग द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. मैं ये क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला से कर रही हूँ ताकि आप लोगों की प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. First of all, write down the values of a, b and c here. Coefficient of x here, that is 1. So that means this is the value of a. and coefficient of x is -3. This is the value of b, and constant term, that is c, and its value is -1. Now find the condition. B square minus 4ac. B square, b value of b is -3 whole square minus 4, value of a is 1, value of c is -1. So square of this term, negative square is, that is always positive. 3 square is 9, minus and minus plus, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So my value is 13. Obviously this is greater than 0. तो यहाँ से हमें सेटिस्फेक्शन हो गया कि भाई इसकी वैल्यू 0 से बड़ी है, तो मैं इस पर क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ. सो यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, and using quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? That is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now replace the values, that a, b and c. Value of a is 1, value of b is -3, value of c is -1. b is -3 and b square minus 4ac. This is already find that from that, and its value is 13. इसकी वैल्यू 13 है, तो हम डायरेक्टली रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं उसको अपॉन 2 times a. वैल्यू ऑफ a is 1. डन. सो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव